Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Charlie from RPM Alamo, and if you're looking for a reason to invest here in San Antonio, Texas, or rent, well, let me show you good reasons why. Follow me. One reason why to invest here in San Antonio, Texas is right here. The beautiful scenery is here in elsewhere San Antonio, Texas. Come check it out. Let's not forget the number one reason why to invest here in San Antonio, Texas, the famous River Walk, the number one tourist attraction here in San Antonio, Texas. Hey, come check out our newest popular attraction here in San Antonio, Texas, the beautiful Pearl, where you can enjoy great foods, great scenery, and a perfect environment. Come check out the Pearl today. Who can forget the Alamo? RPM Alamo covers more than just San Antonio, but it covers all surrounding cities as well, including right here in New Braunfels, Texas. Find us right here at 7272 Warsbach Road, Suite 204. Right here you'll find smiling faces and a helping hand. Let's go take a look.